Does Samsung design smart switch for iPhone to make this reverse transmission possible? This usually occurs when you replace your current Samsung with a new iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11X. Well, we will now provide helpful tips and tricks to enhance your experience with this topic. Part 1. Does Smart Switch work with iPhone? Can you use Smart Switch from Samsung to iPhone? Regrettably, Samsung Smart Switch cannot be used for Android to iPhone transfer. This tool is primarily designed to work with Samsung devices running the Android operating system. Part 2. Can Smart Switch transfer from Samsung to iPhone? No. Smart Switch cannot directly transfer data from a Samsung device to an iPhone. This product is primarily designed to facilitate data transfer between Galaxy devices or from non-Samsung Android devices to Samsung. Part 3. What data types can Smart Switch work with? As of now, when transferring from an Android or Samsung to another Samsung phone, you can receive such files from the source device, including contacts, photos and videos, calendar, call logs, apps, settings, music, documents, memos, messages, etc. Part 4. How to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung with Smart Switch. Launch Smart Switch on Samsung. Agree to terms. Tap Receive Data. Select iPhone. Opt for iCloud transfer. Sign in. Allow access. Enter verification code. Click Connect and OK. Select Data. Start transfer. Part 5. Use the best Smart Switch alternative to transfer data from Samsung to iPhone quick. Since Smart Switch isn't on iPhone, moving from Samsung or Android to iPhone can be tricky. But with Mobican Transfer for Mobile, a reliable third-party tool, you can surpass this obstacle. How to transfer data from Samsung or Android to iPhone with Transfer for Mobile. Download and install the software on your computer. Connect both devices via USB. Ensure the Android phone is selected as the source on the main screen. Choose data types. Click Start Copy to begin transfer.